welcome to my channel, Anti-Aging Serum. That is what I have for you today. If you are getting on in age and you find your face having a lot of wrinkles, a lot of fine lines, dry, just basically dull looking, this serum is for you. Now, this is a nighttime serum that is going to work wonders for your skin. It's going to have your skin looking at least 10 years younger in no time. So if you're interested, if you want to see how I make this serum, which I personally use on my skin, come with me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to make it in just under 20 minutes. Our first ingredient is chia seeds. And this is what chia seeds look like up close. I'm also going to be using some aloe vera gel. And this is what your aloe vera gel look like. Going to be using some vitamin E oil. Some rose hip oil. And that's our rosehip oil. And I'm also going to be using some vegetable glycerine. And this is what your glycerine look like. So the first thing that I'm going to do, we're going to prepare our chia seed. To prepare our chia seeds, we're going to boil. So I'm going to use about 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. And I'm going to add 1 cup of water to our chia seeds. And I'm going to place this on the stove. And as soon as this comes to a complete boil, I'm going to remove it. It's starting to boil, so I'm going to remove it immediately. Give it a little stir. So this is what it looked like after boiling, and as you can see, very gummy serum like. So now I'm going to put this aside to cool, which is going to take about an hour or so. Now here is our chia seed after it has been cooled, and now we're going to strain. However, we're not going to use a strainer. We're going to use a cheesecloth. If you do not have a cheesecloth, do not worry. You could take a piece of whole merino or any cloth you have, merino like, and you could strain. I'm going to show you because that's what I am going to be using. So I'm just going to spread the cloth over, and then I'm going to pour the chia seed in. We're going to take this up. And then we're going to squeeze. So for our chia water, look at it. You can see how sticky, how gummy, and this is just perfect. So I'm going to use about 4 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3. So this is about 4 tablespoons of chia water. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerine. Now if you do not have vegetable glycerine, you could leave it out. However, the glycerine is causing it to last much longer. So without the glycerine, you got to use it up much faster, okay? I'm gonna use my vitamin E oil, and this is very concentrated. This is 28,000 IU, so I'm just gonna add a few drops. However, if you have 800 IU, use 1 teaspoon. So I'm gonna add about 5 drops. And I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of rose hip oil. You could substitute the rose hip oil with carrot oil or some almond oil, but preferably carrot oil. But I want to make sure to get everything out. So now we have the measurement. I'm just gonna mix it a little for you to see. And now I'm gonna put this in the blender and I'm gonna blend. And here is our anti-aging facial serum. Now to store this serum, you want to store it in a glass container. A glass jar is preferred. And here is your serum. Now you can store this serum in the refrigerator for up to a month, okay? However, if you do not have the glycerine, use this up within 10 days, all right? So now I'm gonna show you how to use this wonderful serum. So here is our facial serum, and you wanna make sure to always give it a shake. And you're gonna take a little, not a lot. And you're gonna rub it in your hands and you're gonna apply it to your face. And you're just gonna pat it in your skin. Remember, this is a water base, so it's not gonna be greasy. You're just gonna pat it on. And remember, you're using this on clean skin, as with all serum. Once you're done, you're gonna let this hair dry. Now you do not need to use a moisturizer with this serum since it's already have the rosehip and the vitamin E oil. Once your serum is air dry, you're good to go. Sleep with it, rinse in the morning. Now you can use this serum every night if you so choose for best result. Also, you can alternate it with your other facial serum. Now what this serum is going to do for your skin, it's going to tighten your skin. It's also going to get rid of your fine lines and wrinkles. It's not only going to get rid of the fine lines and wrinkles, but it's also great for getting rid of the dark under eyes circles. So don't be afraid to put a little of this serum under your eyes. Now this serum is going to have your skin looking so young since it's going to boost the collagen production in the skin. It is also going to help with circulation, and that's why when you're applying it, you are pressing, and this is also, you know, helping the blood to flow more freely. With continuous use of this serum, you're going to notice that your skin is looking so much younger, years younger, 5 to 10 years younger in no time. Chia seeds contains omega-3, and it is also loaded with nutrients that are great for the skin. It helps boost collagen production in the skin, promotes smooth clear skin, fight wrinkles, shrink large pores, and even help with getting rid of acne. Vitamin E oil prevents the formation of wrinkles by blocking free radicals damage. It treats wrinkles by boosting collagen production, a connective tissues that keep skin elastic. Vitamin E oil also treats wrinkles by supporting new skin cell growth and speeding up cell regeneration. Rose hip oil is packed with natural beauty essentials like anti-inflammatory fatty acids and vitamin A and C. These ingredients allow rose hip oil to treat signs of aging and pigmentation, hydrate skin and repair damaged skin, and provide a strong protective antioxidant boost, all without the oily feel of a traditional liquid oil like olive oil. Applying aloe vera gel to your face regularly will help to diminish the lines and wrinkles associated with aging and loss of elasticity in the skin. This is due to the simple fact that aloe vera contains both vitamin C and E, both of which are known to be vital for healthy skin and also help to improve natural firmness, leaving your skin soft, supple, and hydrated. Vegetable glycerine can make your skin smooth and prevent other problems associated with dryness. Glycerine also locks in moisture in the skin. It helps to smooth out wrinkles and fine lines. So there you have it. Go and try this serum. Try the serum. Thank you all for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to come back and leave your comment. And if this was the first time watching, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Don't forget to watch me every Sunday at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for our series Sunday Chit Chat with Khichi Beauty. Have a wonderful day, a wonderful week, a wonderful evening. Love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.